Hey, so somebody asked me what you get in the Rain Sanitary Napkin sample pack. So I thought we would open one so that you could find out what's in there. It's something I created and put together myself so that the ladies around here or who find me online, they can order one and just try all 5 of the levels of absorbency inside of the Jewel family. So let's see what we've got. So this is the Rain Sanitary Napkin Sample Pack. Sweet little bag. There's my contact information. That's what it'll come. So this one's open so that I can use it. You know, you need a third hand sometimes. So here is just a little flyer that has my contact information again. And this is a video that I made that can just show ladies more of the amazing absorbency that one of our moderate flow sanitary napkins can handle, what it can tackle. So that's on YouTube. And on the back, which just shows again what's in the package, and a second video of just what the overnight super heavy flow sanitary napkin can handle. That's an incredible video. Both of them are actually videos I made in my living room. It was great. So there's also business card. You can always find me. So on Instagram, on Facebook, my website, phone number. So that's always in there and available. So let's see. We've got just introducing Rain sanitary napkins. Again, more contact information. And then the good stuff, right? The things that we really want to see what's in here. So this is 5 sanitary napkins. Look how thin they are. It's incredible. 5 of them. So the ultra thin has 1 jewel on it so you can see the level. We have the light with wings, and it does have a mild bit of absorbency quality in there. It has 2 jewels, so that would be like our level 2. Yes, ma'am, my daughter does.
Yes, she does. I was asking about her great brand.
Ah, yes. So this is the moderate flow with 3 gems, 3 jewels on them. Look how thin that is. It's incredible. So there's 3. The heavy has 4 gems on it. It's purple. The moderate flow was pink. And the Queen Mother, that's what I refer to it. The Queen Mother is the overnight super heavy with the blue sticker, but it has 5 gems on it. And that way you know exactly what you're getting. Look how thin that is. Isn't it incredible? So that's what we've got inside of our sample pack. And if you have any other questions about what Jewel has to offer and what the Rain pads are like, oh gosh, ask, and I will happily do my best to answer your questions. They've been a game changer for me. Fabulous, super high quality, takes care of all the girl issues, whether it be your cycle or you just struggle when you sneeze because you had too many babies or just one really bouncy baby. So give me a call. Let me help you. Have a great day.